Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make your agent pick its own brain dynamically. Let's begin. The most important node right here is the operator node, because if we go to operator, we have all of these models and more, over 300 I think. You pick the model that you're gonna use. For me, I'm gonna use this model and the V4 model because they're free. So if we go back, the first agent would be powered by another model. It can be a model from Operator or Gemini. I picked Gemini and I picked this, the 2.5 Flash Preview Thinking. Why? Because picking the right brain requires a model that's good at reasoning. And I found this model to be both good and cheap. So I picked it. Now, for the brain selector, if we go here to their system message, I just told your helpful assistant that specializes in picking the LLM to power the next agent. So it knows that has an agent printed for it after that. I give it only two options. You can give it more, but for the sake of this demo, we're gonna give it two options. I give it the Llama 3.1B and V4, and I told it the roles of both. I want them to be distinct, so each model has its own role. The first model is good at telling jokes, and the second is good at math. And I re-emphasize that you have to select from these options only and to give the name exactly as how it is written. So with that done, we can move on to our next agent. Add the operator model, go here, and the output would be the output of this agent. This agent will give the name, and instead of selecting from the list down below, let's go to fixed, for example, instead of actually selecting from these models, we will let the agent select the model so we can use. And of course, I give it a simple message that it will fulfill the request. The request which it gets from the chat trigger right here. Before we begin, since I deleted that in that output field, we have to run this model. So that is 1 plus 1, for example. A simple question, but and returned an answer. The answer is Microsoft V4. Now remember, in the prompt, we told it that the second model is good at math. So reasonably, since it's a thinking model, it will pick the best option for it, which is this model. With that part being assured is working, we just connect. We go to the open router and we just give this output from the brain selector agent right here. So now, if we go back and ask it, tell me medical joke, for example. So as you can see, it gave us an output. So if you go here, it told us a joke. And if we go back to the brain selector, we can see that it picked the right model. Now, you might be asking, since the beginning, why open router? Well, because if you know the agents in N8N, they can pick multiple brains. Like you can connect multiple LLMs. So we need a node that has access to a lot of LLMs, which is operator. So this was how to do it. Of course, you can expand upon it, and I would love to see what you come up with. So thank you guys for watching. If you did find this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, leave a comment down below. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.